What is the difference between conceptual data model, logical data model, and physical data model? So, if you are attending any interview related to data model profile, even data engineering also they will ask this type of the question, but more into the data architect and data modeling. So, conceptual model is basically used to consider the entity, like you have the five various sources, and what entity need to be included in our data solution. That is called the conceptual data model. Entity is nothing but the table. On top of the conceptual data model, which I proved, we will need to build the logical data model. Logical data model need to bring the different attribute, including like column name. Like suppose customer entity is there, you bringing the customer ID, customer name, customer address, and what type of the data type should be follow in every attribute. Okay, so like customer name and the address, what is the data type, and also we need create the how you can build the relationship between one entity to different entity, like creating the foreign key. Customer have the relationship with the product, or the customer have the relationship with the customer salary, like that. Whatever we have, like customer have the relationship with the account table. So this relationship based on the account table, we have the customer ID. So customer is the parent table and account table is the child table. And then why the physical model is needed? The physical model is basically create on top of the logical model, where constraint and the indexing you need to be create. And basically physical data model are ready to deploy into the database. Like suppose if you are created a data model in the Snowflake or the Microsoft SQL Server or the Oracle, then the DDL command will be generated, and what trigger if you want need to be include or not, how the performance will be optimized, what type of the indexes you implemented. So that is the core difference between the logical data model and the physical data model. So I hope you have the clear understanding of this three layer. Some interviewer they will ask you, can you explain the three layer of the data model? So you need to be explain the conceptual, logical, and the physical data model. Thank you so much.